Hello there, welcome. This is your host, Miguel Martinez, episode 11. I apologize in the last one. I think in the text it said episode 9, so I apologize about that. It was an error. Okay, so we're on episode 11. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to remove anxiety and you could say like a decision block. Sometimes you want to make a decision, you just know how to make it. Okay. So first we're going to talk about the laws. Okay, the law of the subconscious mind. Okay, and the law of perpetual transmutation. Now, when I said the law of the subconscious mind, I meant the laws that impact the subconscious mind. What we got to remember is that the subconscious mind is penetrated and impregnated by the conscious mind. You might be thinking, how does it, what are you talking about? So when we think of a thought, it's our conscious mind. It's our intellect. It's our logic. Okay. So we're thinking, how do I get this? How do I get that? A plus B. What would be best? Right? Then we get the goal. We get the image of what we want. And we allow that image to be felt and emotionalized. When we emotionalize that image, for example, when I was in prison, I had nothing else to look at besides a cement wall. Okay, so what my imagination was on overdrive. I was imagining being with my parents. I was imagining being on campus and doing good, like my life as a different person. Because before that, I was, committing crimes and things like that, doing bad things. So I was looking at my life in a different way. As I was going to sleep, I would close my eyes and see myself living a good life. Now, everything that I saw came to pass. It happened. And many times I had deja vu. And it still happens to me now because I use these laws and now I know consciously how to do it. Right? So anything you put in your mind and then you feel it, emotionalize it, will get impregnated into the subconscious mind. I say impregnated because you'll have it in there, you'll be feeling it, right? Let's say sex, for example. You can close your eyes, you can imagine yourself having sex and you feel it. Your body starts getting aroused, right? And you're only thinking about it, but now you're feeling it. That's how powerful sex energy is. It's very powerful and it's very available. Okay, it's available to you, like because we're instilled. That's instilled in us. Okay, everybody has it. Okay, but not everybody has a wealth consciousness. Not everybody feels rich. Not everybody feels buff and strong and healthy. Okay. Not everybody feels loved, okay? But everybody feels a sex drive, okay? Everybody feels that, okay? So that's why it's so readily for you, okay? So you gotta emotionalize your goal, whatever you're imagining, and when you gotta hold it, okay? And take action, and take action, and take action. So you could choose anything, okay? That's the law of perpetual transmutation. Whatever thought you hold will move into form as long as you hold it. Nourish it, okay? Nourish it in your subconscious mind, okay? So that's why I said you impregnate the subconscious mind and you nourish that baby, that goal, until it manifests, okay? Now, in between that, you have to take actions. Now we're going on to decisions. You have to take the action to get there, okay? As well as the law of attraction happening and it's coming to you, okay? Like Bob Proctor, my coach, said, Law of attraction is the secondary law. The first law is the law of vibration. Vibration is another word for feeling. So we're vibrating, we're vibrating at the thought that we have in our mind. Some are conscious thoughts, like the ones that we're trying to manifest, and some are automatic, they're just happening. Okay? So we're vibrating, and because we're vibrating, like attracts like. So they come to you. Resources, people, ideas, concepts, hunches, okay, actions that you take because you got that deep urge, like that urge to take the action. You don't have an urge to go to the library, and so you go to the library, you meet somebody who gives you resources, right? And you're like, you look back, oh, I remember that day, and I got a resource from that woman and helped me get better at marketing or what have you. Now, that's how you have to take action. Just take the action. Just take it. Whatever feels right. Excuse me. This coffee, strong. Whatever feels right, take that action. Take that action. Okay? And it doesn't even matter actually if you don't feel right about it. You might be hitting a limiting belief, or what we call a paradigm that's not wanting you to do the work. So you just do it. Okay? Just do it. You're gonna get to your goal. Okay? No matter what. That's why, like last video I mentioned, there's a meme out there where one side has success going up this way and another one going down this way. Those are the choices that you don't like doing, and that it goes zigzagging and like that, and you get to your goal. Okay? Because as long as you're holding that image in your mind and you're feeling it, you're vibrating at that level, you're going to attract it. It's going to come into your life. Okay? It's going to come into your life. Whether you like it or not. It is law. Okay? It is law. All these laws are working in conjunction to help you get what you want. The law of perpetual transmutation. Thoughts turn into things. Law of vibration. Okay? Whatever you vibrate, you attract. The level on that you vibrate, you attract. Okay? So make sure that you have an image. Make sure you close your eyes and visualize what you like. Okay? Well, what's something that you want? Okay? Because the moment you're visualizing it, you have it. The moment you're visualizing, you have it. The moment you're visualizing, you have it. Okay? You have it. It's in your mind. It's in the non-physical realm. Now emotionalize it. How does it feel now that you have it? How does it feel? Okay? For my money goal, when I say, how do I feel now that I have this money? Whoo! I feel liberated, and I feel responsible, and I feel powerful. Responsible because I know I have so much money that I have to employ people, and the money that I have helps other people. So I have to be responsible. Okay, I have to be very organized. I have to look at my calendar, make sure I don't double book myself in some places that are very important. Okay, if I visualize myself with, the love of my life, right, or something has to do with love, I feel the love. Okay, how do I feel now that I'm with the love of my life? I feel happy. Actually, happiness came into my heart. How do I feel now that I'm married? I feel complete. And you got to ask yourself these questions and then flash that image in your mind and feel your body. Feel it. Because when you feel it, your body feels it, okay? Because the subconscious mind controls your vibration. And your vibration is not only mental, it's also physical, okay? It's also physical. Subconscious mind is also physical, okay? Now, how does this remove anxiety? Your understanding of the laws that I just mentioned. The law of perpetual transmutation. Thoughts become things. Okay? Understand that thoughts become things. Okay? And when you vibrate at it, it will come into your life. Okay? As long as you nurture it, you hold it with you. Okay? Consistently, don't change your goal. That's why you have to stay committed. Commitment. Okay? Commitment is the key word here. Commitment. and do everything you can to get it. Okay, now knowing this will give you that relaxed state of mind. You're gonna say, okay, it's mine. I understand. What I hold in my mind and what I feel in my heart will manifest. So I'm gonna take this action, okay, consistent action, until I reach that goal. And it's already guaranteed. Okay, so feel that goal now, whatever that feeling may be. Okay, so I feel like I did give you what to do throughout the video, what you need to do to get into your vibe. Now, disclaimer: don't be too stressed out. Don't if you get into a negative vibration, change it. Right? Use gratitude. Use the visualization in itself, and feel the feeling of the wish fulfilled, of the goal. Feel it like you already have it. Listen to music. Go out to nature. Raise your vibe. You know, go out and compliment people, because when you compliment people, that means you have a good thought in your mind. Okay, good thoughts, good vibration. And then when people reflect that they're happy that you gave them a good vibration, you feel good. And this is actually giving you some sort of capital. I don't know what it is, but it's like, we call it the law of cause and effect. Okay, what you give out, you get back. You're giving out good energy, you're getting back good energy from the universe. Okay, so that's the capital I'm talking about. Wallace calls it the impression of increase. Okay, the impression of increase. He says, if you want to get rich, you leave people feeling like they got more when they were with you. Either with the product you say, hey, here's the product, it's gonna give you X, Y, Z, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So they're like, oh, I paid this much and I'm getting this much back. Okay, and they're feeling better. After you leave a person, you give them good compliments, they feel better. Okay, they feel like they gained something, okay, because you were there and you complimented. Okay. So, it's good books to read that I've used in this conversation is the Edinburgh Lectures on Mental Science, Chapter 9, Causes and Conditions, and at the very end I referenced Wallace, who wrote The Science of Getting Rich. Okay, and you check out the chapter of gratitude and the chapter on the impression of increase. Okay. So I hope you like this one. This one, my main goal was to relieve you of anxiety and help you make decisions. Okay, it doesn't matter what decision you make, just do it. You're gonna get there. Law of perpetual transmutation, thoughts become things. Law of vibration and law of attraction. All right. And 3, maintain a high vibration. High vibration keeps you in a good state, causing good things to continue to come into your life, such as your goal. Because your goal is at a high vibration. And the goal, the purpose of our life is to raise our vibration. All right. Hope you like this one. Peace.